Just a few minutes from downtown Elora, the landscape changes completely. The river disappears into a gorge of limestone cliffs, cedar forests, and stories that stretch back generations. Through the trees, the bridge appears almost suspended above the gorge, a reminder of just how deep the river has carved its path through the limestones below. This viewpoint is known as Lover's Leap. According to local legend, a young indigenous woman leapt from these cliffs after being separated from the man she loved. Whether history or folklore, the story has become woven into Elora's identity, adding another layer to this dramatic landscape. What would drive someone to take a final, desperate leap into the depths of the Elora Gorge? Local lore speaks of a forbidden love and a spirit that never left the cliffs. Far below, the Grand River continues its journey, patiently, relentlessly, shaping the landscape one season at a time. Standing at the edge of the gorge, it's impossible not to notice the trees. Bent by wind, anchored in stone, they seem to have grown alongside the gorge itself, quiet witnesses to the river's long journey below. Away from the overlooks, quiet trails wind through cedar groves where sunlight filters through the branches and the sounds of the town disappear. Spring arrives gently here. Wildflowers, fresh leaves, and the first signs of summer soften the rugged edges of the gorge. If you enjoy slow travel, small town Ontario, local history, and peaceful cinematic walks, I hope you'll consider subscribing and enjoy wandering slowly with me. I'll see you in the next one.